Hi guys, it's Mariama May aka Khadi or Khadi aka Mariama May with another video coming back with you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you all for watching, and if you are new, welcome. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm just going to be doing a length check on my hair. I've been natural for a total of 9 months. So that's a really long time for me. It's the longest really that I've gone without straightening my hair. I have blow dried it and even sat under the hooded dryer for a wash and go. If you like to see me do a wash and go video, be sure to comment down below. This is actually like a old, this isn't even a legit style, like it's just an old failed perm route set. So my hair was actually in a puff, and I'm just gonna start with the front and then we can just work our way. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. 6 feet under, I thought it was over, and answered a prayer, the voice of a savior. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. Only at once I came alive. This beating heart, these open eyes, the grave let go, the darkness should have known. You're still rolling stone. You're still rolling stone. Y'all, I'm still doing it like it's about to change. Now that you saved me, I sing 'cause you gave me a song of revival. I put it on vinyl. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. I once was blinded, but now I see it. I think I'm gonna have my mom help me try to length check, if she will. Okay, I'm back. So my sister's actually gonna do it for me. I came alive, this beating heart, these open eyes, the grave let go, the darkness should have known. You're still rolling stone. You're still rolling stone. I thought that I was too far gone for everything I've done wrong. Yeah, I'm the one who dug this grave, but you called my name. So yeah, that was my length check video. Thank you all so much for watching. I would say I'm kind of surprised with the results, because sometimes I feel like my hair should be like, I feel like it was like longer, but the facts are the facts, you know. Like, your hair ain't that long, but we're gonna get there. I'm gonna continue my journey. Lord's willing, 3 years. I was getting real tired, y'all. Was getting faint in this journey with my hair. I was getting faint, but I'm gonna keep fighting it out, because 9 months is a long time for me to go without straightening my hair. I used to get my hair done all the time, but it's been 9 months since I straightened my hair. So I'm gonna keep doing this journey. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. My sister, when she was like checking it, she said it may not be that accurate, could be a little longer, because my hair is extremely kinky and needs to be moisturized. Like, but thank you all so much for watching. I needed to, y'all needed to see me. We needed to be here, you know, because it's been a while. But thank you all so much for watching, and have a great night. See ya.